Hello, in this video I'll show you how to test if the AC compressor is faulty on a car. For this test I'm going to use a pressure gauge and a power probe. On the pressure gauge I'm going to look at the low pressure and the high pressure and see how if they're changing when we start the AC. When we start the car and start the AC, the pressure gauges should start changing. The low pressure should drop and the high pressure should rise. If there is no change in the pressures so when we start the AC, that means the AC system is not working. Some of the reasons that the AC system is not working could be due to a faulty AC compressor, or a blown fuse or a relay, depends on the car, or maybe high pressure switch or low pressure switch. There's many other reasons that the AC system might not be working, but these are the main reasons that you should concentrate on. Here in the video I'll show you how to test if the AC system is not working due to a faulty compressor. The car at the moment is not running, we just connected the pressure gauges and we're going to see what the readings are. And the readings are 6 bar on the low pressure and the high pressure. When we start the car and start the AC, if the AC system is working, the low pressure should drop and the high pressure should rise. Next we're going to go inside the car and start the car and turn the AC on and turn the fan on. And afterwards we're going to go out of the car and check the pressure gauge to see if the pressures are changing. So now the car is started, we'll turn the fan on and turn the AC on and put the temperature to cold. And now we're going to go and look at the readings on the pressure gauge. We can see that the pressures are not changing, that means that the AC compressor is not working. Like I said, the AC compressor might not be working because of a faulty compressor or a blown fuse or a relay, or maybe a problem with the high pressure switch or the low pressure switch. So next we're going to use a power probe to check if there is power going to the AC compressor. We can see the car is running since the belt is turning. I've put already 2 needles on the 2 wires on the electrical connector for the AC compressor. That's how I've put them onto the wires, and I'm going to put the connector back into the AC compressor, and I'll start measuring the voltage on the 2 wires. This is the power probe that I'm using. I've already connected it to positive and negative terminal of the battery, and this power probe works like when I touch it to positive to power, it will start in red and show the voltage, and if I put it to negative, it will light green. And this is how I'm going to check if there is power going to one of the wires on the AC compressor. So now we're going to check if there is power going to the AC compressor. First we're going to start the car, and we're not going to turn the AC on yet. We're going to check with the car started and no AC on to see what's going on with the two wires, if there is power or ground to them. So we're only going to touch the two needles and we'll see what will happen. We see the red needle, it's showing us negative, and on the blue needle it's showing us negative. That's normal because the AC is not on. If everything is working fine and the AC is on, there should be positive on one wires and negative on the other. Next we're going to turn on the AC, turn the fan on, put it at low temperature, and now we're going to check the wires again. So if there is no blown fuse or relay, now there should be, one of them should be positive and the other one should be negative. We can see on the red needle it's 6.6 volts. That means there is power going to the AC compressor, and on the blue needle there is negative power, which is normal. So that means that there is power going to the AC compressor. But as we can see, there is no changing in pressure, so that means there is power going to the AC compressor, but the AC compressor is not working. When the AC is on and there is no power going to the AC compressor and it's showing us ground on both wires, that means that there might be a blown fuse or blown relay or something else, maybe low pressure switch, high pressure switch. But if there is power going to the AC compressor and the AC compressor is not turning, that means that the AC compressor is faulty. We can see the pressures are not changing, although there is power going to the AC compressor, so in this case the AC compressor is faulty. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.